Hey guys, and welcome back. We're going to train a convolutional neural network to detect brain cancer. Okay, so you download this data set from Kaggle. It's not too big, don't worry about it. Put it in your Google Colab Drive, and don't forget, File 1, we're going to do a validation split at 33%. Horizontal flip equals true for data augmentation. File 1, target size 384. You guys can pick another shape, but you'll have to change the input shape and image size shape down below. Batch size is 54 because 3,083 images of two classes. Binary, subset training. Target size 384, 384. Batch size 20. Binary validation. Remember from file 1 because there's 1,517 images of two classes. Okay. Dense 1 because it's binary. Input shape 384 from the target size. Kernel is 128, 64, 32, 16, and 8. We're going to do kernel sizes of 3 until we hit 16. Then we're going to go 2s. Strides of 2 all the way up for max pooling. Valid and relu all the way down. Dense 1, remember, because binary. Sigmoid is an activation function. Atom, binary constant entropy, accuracy. There's your CNN summary. And guys, don't forget, run this at 50 epochs. I ran it at 45 and then added 5 more just to get it up there. Okay. Save. And before we get to it, remember 0 is brain tumor, right? 1 is healthy. Remember from the input shape and target shape? There we go. Read the image, reshape the array, prepare the image, compute the score, and show the image as well. And brain tumor, 97.71% chance. Look at it right there. And now we're going to look at a normal one. Almost no chance of brain tumor. This is a normal MRI. You guys are going to have to find these on the internet. Remember, look for MRIs. Okay, this one is an interesting tumor. It's even more interesting, it wasn't 100% chance. There we go. Okay, guys. Next time we're going to deploy for sure on AWS using SageMaker. We're going to deploy a treatment prediction model. I haven't decided whether we'll use XGBoost or linear learner. You'll have to find out. We're going to do a treatment prediction model. We're going to predict the whole data frame, default model monitor, the whole 9 yards. Okay. Thanks, guys.